Hello everyone, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. This me. Bow. Welcome to a fun, riveting, and exciting wig install video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my new favorite alternative for my new favorite glueless lace, my new favorite long lasting glueless lace spray alternative. And no, it's not Ebin, because y'all know I used to be an Ebin stan, but if you know or if you don't know, Ebin, she's canceled, she's done. The sweat-proof, long-wearing, easy-to-use, and affordable glueless lace spray, because over here we don't do glue. So enough with the chit-chat, y'all know how I am, but I like to just like hop right into my videos. So yeah, with that said, sit back, relax, and let's get right into today's video. Bam! So the wig we're working with in today's video is from Myfirstwig, and this is my first time working with Myfirstwig. Funny, I found that funny to me. First time working with Myfirstwig, and honestly, it's exactly like their company is exactly what you think it is, what it sounds like. It's basically like a wig company that's geared to like beginners. It literally says Myfirstwig, quality wigs for a beginner. I've always, when I first started getting into wigs, I always wanted one of their wigs. Like they're literally like, I guess they're like, their wigs are designed specifically for the beginner in mind. Not only their wigs like are like meant for beginners, but they also like include things that beginners would want. For example, they give you like a little like wig stand, which I'll show y'all how this works. I think it's like really thoughtful of them. I hate when companies be giving you things that you can't really use, and this one is something that I definitely will be using. And along with the wig stand, they also include, obviously they include the wig, which itself is beginner friendly. Stuff is very beginner friendly. They were like the OG creator, like one of the beginner people really doing like beginner friendly wigs. So it already comes, you know, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and this one comes with the cut lace. This one exactly, they gave you like a little card so you know about your hair. This one is exactly, this is their 20-inch Malaysian hair, which has 1 to 2. I love how they give you like the lifespan. They let you know has a 1 to 2 year lifespan under the right care. They give you 2 options on their website. You'll see they have like 2 options for what hair texture you want. They have an Indian, which says 10 to 12 months, and the Malaysian, which lasts 1 to 2 years. Which I'm like, okay, I like the upfront honesty about that. And this is 20 inches, 13 by 6, and surprisingly 130% density, which is something I've never really gone that light. I'm more of a thick hair girly, and this retails for $259, which I think for a 1 to 2 year lifespan expectancy and for like how long this lace is, that's not bad. But you can never really tell about based off initial thoughts, I feel like that price is quite good for what you're getting, especially as a beginner, already done for you, pre-plucked and pre-bleached wig. Let me give y'all a little look at that pre-pluck and pre-bleachedness. Let's test out quickly how like out the box the wig is. So like no effort, no nothing. But I was a beginner, I just got her and I want to put her on. Let's see how it would look. Put her on, secure our clips and combs and whatnot. Okay, you know what, out the box, no effort. It's not bad, Sha. You know what, out the box, no effort, like it's not bad, y'all. I was kind of expecting it to look a little wonky. I feel like I didn't even tint the lace, and the lace looks really good without any tint or anything. I mean, don't get me wrong, right here on the sides, no, actually it's not bad. Gluelessly, and for a 13 by 6 frontal, because frontals, I feel like it's really hard to make a good glueless, like 100% true glueless wig like this as a frontal. It's not bad. It's not. I can honestly say I can say this is one of the better frontal wigs I've tossed on and go that actually doesn't look that bad. Like you could really just rock it like this if you know nothing about wigs and you just want to throw on a go wig. It's not bad. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so but I want to be able to test this wig. I do want to test this wig out, the quality and everything. I'm trying to like wear the wigs I get sent more longer so I can test the quality of them out, because how I can really test the wig is how long you can wear it without it getting crazy. So I'm going to be laying this wig down to get extra security. So yeah, let's get into the laying of the lace. I don't understand how people use glue. It's so harsh on my edges and it's so sticky and messy. Like I'm not a glue girly. Like I've been doing glue wigs for damn near, how long have I been wearing a wig? I've been wearing wigs for like 5 years now, and I just still can't get behind using glue. I feel like keep the glue to the professionals. If you've been watching me even within this past year, you know I've been an Ebin lace spray girly till I die. you know, I've been this company right here, y'all know they had my heart. I love them, but ever since the whole like Ebin lace spray cancellation that happened, it's been like 2 months now, earlier this summer, because you know they were racist to one of their employees, and even since then they haven't made any statement, they haven't said anything addressing it, because it is one of those Chinese based companies, and they basically took the, which I mean, I don't blame them, but I do blame them. They took the silence route and just said, I ain't gonna address it. That's cool, Ebin, don't address it, say nothing, because as one door closes, because when I'm not gonna lie to you, when the cancellation happened, I was devastated. I was like, bro, I love this company, I love the stuff. Like, it actually is one of the only, because when I first started wearing like wigs and doing, I realized I don't like glue. I was a 𝐏𝐫𝐞 girly, but 𝐏𝐫𝐞 sucks. If you're still using 𝐏𝐫𝐞 for your lace, girl, and no shade and tea to my friends, because I know some friends who are probably watching my video and they do use 𝐏𝐫𝐞. Every time, y'all know, guys, if you really 𝐏𝐫𝐞, it's just, it don't really work that well for me. So once I discovered Ebin lace spray, for like literally 2 to 3 years, I never like, I was hooked and addicted to it. As one door closes, another one opens, right? So I was on the hunt, literally trying out all of the glueless lace spray alternatives that are not Ebin lace spray. The products that I've been trying out, and I've been trying them out for about like 3 months consistently, so I can come back. And I thought my first video I made showing y'all an alternative, it was this spray. I love this spray, it's really good, and it lasts as long. My only problem is that it's just so messy and hard to use. It's not messy, but it just drips a lot. I finally found a way better product that honestly tops. Like, I could really toss that Ebin lace spray out the way. This stuff, which I found at Walmart, chef kiss, this is the truth, okay? And honestly, I've been putting my friends on, and one of my friends, she was like, this stuff is so good, but I feel like it's a little bit too good. This Colors Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, 20 times the hold. That's crazy. 20 times the hold, ultimate hold. I got this big bottle, surprisingly enough, at Walmart. They had it in like the ebony section, so I love that you can actually find it at Walmart, not like in case you don't have access to a beauty supply store or don't want to go to Amazon. And this product at my Walmart, it was under $10. I think either $8.99, but just know it's under $10. And look how big it is. It's literally the same size, bigger actually than my 𝐏𝐫𝐞. Honestly, I'm so happy that Ebin was canceled after I found this product, because I'm never going back. Only thing with this product that I will say right off already to y'all is sometimes it can be too strong. Like, this is one of the products, it's usually my Ebin, I feel like towards the end of the day I can eventually start to sweat it out and just yank it off like a normal person, but this stuff, it don't move. It's strong. It's even hard sometimes to wash off your lace because how strong it is. So yeah, enough chit chat. I'll probably at the end give y'all more of my pros and cons on this product. I try my best to really like hop into the video before I chat too much. So let's get into how I like to use this product. And to tint the lace, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm using a concealer right now because I got a little darker. I went to Mexico earlier in the week, and your girl got a tan, so I'm gonna be using this darker shade. This is the e.l.f. concealer in the shade, what shade is this? Rich Chocolate. And I'm just gonna, because it's the shade that matches my forehead the most, and I'm just gonna buff that in underneath the lace to get us a perfect match. Put that underneath. Do a little quick buffy buff. Okay, nice and tinted. And then go ahead and put her on. Ooh, I still have my braids from Mexico. Like, I had like a whole braid thing I was wearing in Mexico, and I just cut them off so I can put my wigs on. I hope my braids are like decent enough for it to not be bumpy, because it's not like parted in the middle, but hopefully it's decent enough for this middle part to not be bumpy. Because that's the thing about your wigs being in a weird pattern. It might affect how well your lace, how flat it will lay, but I hope not. Okay, let's go ahead and put her back on like before. Get everybody nice and secure. This wig, I feel like as a closure would be great. It's really on the sides, gluelessly, that you would need extra laying, because the sides, as you see, they flap, and that's the thing about frontals, it's kind of really to be expected. Let me just get everybody in place. Honestly, I feel like if you wear glue because you are someone who are like, you don't know how to do your hair that often, or you don't have the time to be slapping on a wig every morning or adding of your routine, I'm telling you, you still can do glueless wigs and keep it low maintenance and not have to do too much and not have to waste too much time. Like, it's easy to keep. Wigs can be very convenient and low maintenance if you find the right way to do it. Like literally, okay, like for example, like this wig, we can just put on and go, right? But now let's say you want a little extra security, we're gonna lay it down, and it's about to be so easy to lay this stuff down. What I always do, I like to, for my ears, like if you have a frontal that you're doing this with, for my ears, I always, the ear side, I like to spray underneath, sometimes over too, but I do under. I feel like the ear side right here always needs extra like attention, so I spray it, use my fingers to spread it all around to make sure it's like, you know, nice and even, thin layer. And I also like to like get around my ears over here. And then to act as like an anchor, because you know the ears are just a little finicky, I always pull out like sideburns like so. I missed a spot down here. I really like this product too because it doesn't like drip like I was saying this product I really like does. As much as I like it, it drips a lot. So spray. I want to really just show y'all like how fast and like how fast this really is. Like you could make time every day to do this real quick. And then I spray on top a little bit too, just to give like extra security on the sides. To like lock the product in and to make sure I'm like laying the lace, I get my blow dryer, that rat tail comb, and start like pushing down the edges of the lace flat to just like, you know, lock and seal everything in. Literally, I had that blow dryer on for like 5 seconds. That's what I love too about this product more than the Ebin, better than the Ebin lace spray. This product dries fast. Like it dries so fast, you don't even need a blow dryer with this product. I just like to use a blow dryer to help me make sure that it's not going to be sticky and stuff, and I put my band on later. But it's so fast drying. Like now for the other sides, I can just spray on top, make sure I'm like spreading and patting out that product, get it everywhere it needs to be. Spray, pat, pat, pat. I'm over here trying to see where the and then lock it in again. Boom, bam. This side done, locked in. I love this product too because it does not create like a white cast like how other products does. If anything, when you use too much and it starts to slip, it does make like a little sticky film down here. I don't know if you can see it because I sprayed a little bit too much because I couldn't see what the lace was, because the lace on this wig is thin. But like it doesn't make a white cast, it just will leave a little sticky film which you can like easily just wipe off with water, because like I said, it's a glueless product and it's water solid. But like look at that, look at that. It has great melting power and great hold. Like what y'all said? Let's go ahead and do the other side real quick. Same thing. Like if you're realistically in a rush, you don't even have to work in sections like that with this. Like when I'm in a rush, I literally just spray the whole place like I can. Use my finger. I should have pushed my edges back on this. I will say that. Spray down here, just make sure I get them anchors down. Spray on top. Like if you're trying to save time, you can even save the blow drying for last. Spray all the lace down and then go with your blow dryer. Just make sure you pat everything, don't miss a spot. I'm always missing a spot, thinking the lace is lifting, but it's like no, you just missed a spot. And what I like about this product too, before you put the band on, it's still very like movable. So that's why I love glueless wigs, because see, I want to bring the wig down more. All I gotta do is just pull it up because it hasn't like fully set yet. Just pull it off like this. With glue, you can't do that. Once it's glued down, it's a whole debacle to move it. And someone like me, I'm always messing up. So see, I can easily rip it up real quick. Ain't lose no edges doing that. When you put the band on and let it sit for a bit, that's when you have a hard time pulling it off easily. But when you just did it, you need to move it. It's still quite like movable. So okay, there we go. I needed to cover up my edges. But I'm telling you, a good prep is important. And now we reset. Boom. Okay, done. Check that out. Like I said, it does leave a little like sticky film when you overspray it. That's why precision is best with this, but it's not as bad as the drip from that, like the other product that I showed y'all last time. Like I overshot it. It like showed me that lace, and I didn't even put the band on it yet. I guess this side is better to show y'all. Like, show me the lace. Show me where. And it's secure. And once I put that band on it to lay, it's not gonna move nowhere. Now, cause I want to wear this wig for a couple of days just to really show y'all how good this product is. I've realized this lasts as long, like a much longer lasting effect if you put a band on after and let the band stay in your head for like as long as you really can to really help gravity and everything keep it nice and secure. You also how easy to take it off earlier. Once I put this band on and leave it on for like a good minimum, you can't say leave your band on for an hour, and I believe her honestly, minimum 30 minutes to an hour. Let's get into some styling of this hair, because I for sure already know we gotta trim these little ends. Y'all know how I feel about hair with thin ends. I'm not gonna cut too much length. I'm gonna just cut like right here. Yeah. See, already look thicker. Already, it's feeling a lot better and thicker. Do I want to add like light layers to it? We'll see. Do I want to keep it one length? I don't know. Maybe a little like blowout layer, a little layer moment, possibly. Okay. Here we are, a couple snips later. As you can see, got a little scissor happy. That's what happens when I turn the camera off. I just start doing whatever. I was trying to just like give the hair more of a style than what I had, but thank goodness this is not a tutorial about this look. Like, it's just y'all, it's just like my everyday, like it's just my random cutting that ends up looking like this. If you're wondering what I did, I literally just started cutting the bangs to make it look like something. I just wanted like a little everyday look with it, but I honestly wasn't even going for this. I was just going for something, but this works. I like it. I think it gives like everyday look, really simple. The hair has more body, but it's really about this hairline that we gotta get into. Like, that's what this video is all about today. Okay, like look at this hairline, like lace wear, undetectable, and I'm telling you, it's not going nowhere. Like, I'm pulling, it's not going nowhere. I love this like hair color and just this hair in general. Like, I feel like the highlights plus this random haircut I've given it, low-key, it's kind of eating. I'm kind of here for it. I call this like my everyday like white girl haircut. It's like a little face framing bangs, and then just like a little light layer. This is what I honestly end up doing whenever I don't know what I'm going for and I have like my hair in the middle part. I'm feeling it, I'm digging it. Like, find the lace, babe. Find it, clock my T. This is 4K camera. You see the lace? You see her? It's the lace in the room with us. And if you still see it, shut up, it's still a wig. Not like, removing it is quite simple, but I feel like still it's worth showing you guys. So I'm gonna come back during the removal process to show how I do that. But yeah, here we are with the initial install. Very, very undetectable. Like, even lace spray, who?